Hey guys, I'm Zach and welcome to another episode of Lumix Tutorial. As you can see now, I am not exactly in the studio. I'm in somewhere outside, Or if I feel like to be in another place, I can straight just be in another place. So, of course, I don't have any magical power. What you see just now was a green screen keying. So this is how a green screen looks like without any post add on it. So it's just a screen that is green color behind the talent, which is me today. And technically you will see this, I'm sure you saw this before in all these big budget, Hollywood productions, in ads and commercials. But why do they need a green screen? Why not orange screen or black screen or white screen? The reason being, the green you see here is on the color wheel, one of the furthest color from the human skin tone. If I'm wearing a green color shirt, the green color on my shirt will be keyed out as well. So if I'm wearing a green color shirt, so probably people will change to a blue screen, which is also very far away from the human skin tone, right? Technically, if you want to key out a color, you can do that with any colors. If it's an orange screen, you can key out the orange, but you will also key out the orange in my skin, which is not ideal in most of the situations. So this is the basic of how green screen, the concept of green screen. But to record a green screen, to record it nicely, you need a camera that can shoot in 10-bit 422. So what is 10-bit and 422? 10-bit is the color depth and 422 is the chroma subsampling. We already had a video talking about this in our other episodes. You can go and check it out and what is color depth and what is chroma subsampling. Why do you need 422 for green screen productions? So let's say you want to do a green screen just on your backyard, a more casual environment. You don't have a big crew with you. First of all, you want to make sure the screen behind is lit properly, all right? Technically, we would like it to do under the sun. The sun is always the brightest thing. So it will lit a green screen evenly and bright. So when you key out, it will always, it will save a lot of work in post. You can just key out one time and the green color is gone and you can replace it with virtually anything you find. A differentiate between a higher end camera and a lower end camera is often very obvious when it comes to green screen keying. This is why we want to shoot in 422, which it gives us enough information to key out the green screen nicely, evenly, so we can be more realistic, quote, so on say. Today we are shooting with the GH6 right here. You can do an internal ProRes 422. So 422 is very much ideal when you come to shooting a green screen video. So this is a basic run through of green screen. Of course, if one talk in depth about green screen, we can spend a whole day talking about that. But just be in mind that when you want to shoot green screen properly, at least make sure you have the proper codecs. If you want to know more, comment down below or look at our other video talking about color, and we will have people to probably answer to your questions down there. Until then, I'll see you next time.